Oh, he didn't say hi to the other man. No, to ask for some help.
Since when have you cared for my father's vision nutrition?
He helped your father.
100 men, it will take a week. 200? Even the ongoing threat from danger is to distract ourselves. You to defend what you have, which is the innocent people of Wessex from marauding heathen.
He's a poison, but he's a clever poison. He knows how to speak.
Take this moment your God is offering you. Your father had a dream. My father.
He's talking about God like that now. Such an evolution. It's not just respecting someone else's face, he's also believing into their face. I'm sorry, Uhtred, but maybe that's clever, you know, to keep men now that we know that the Danes are gonna attack. Nah.
Take the fortress and get drunk.
I can't believe that we're gonna be in Bedamberg during this season.
The heart isn't possible. I know it is a precious relic, and that it has been in Edinburgh for generations, but it may be our only course.
If he's offering that art to Dick, Dick is gonna help him.
Yes, indeed.
You can't have sex right there, but you can speak.
We just had to carry them all up north to try and strike a bargain for it. 10 days before Pentecost.
Yeah.
2 weeks from now.
If they are acting like they are these monks,
I'm sorry that I can provide nothing more.
Beoka is gonna come with you. He has to.
I hope you win what you've longed for. If you die doing this,
You will be the last hope, child, portrait of Babylon.
I don't know why, but each time that I'm looking at her, I'm thinking of Ginny Weasley, you know, in Harry Potter. I don't know why.
You will rest when you need. I will fight with you on my shoulders. You do not need me for this, Uhtred.
You're really not going, Beoka?
We deserve this. I will repay all the debt I owe you 3 times over. You look like your lord in Berenberg.
No, I don't like this kind of promises.
For you, with my own heart.
They used to have long goodbyes each time, but right there it felt different.
Keep each other out of trouble.
You know, promises and big speeches like that? I hope that I'm wrong. I can't think about anything that can happen really to Beoka right there into the fortress. And Uhtred, we know that he's gonna survive to everything. Yes, you cannot woman. That's one of the settlements. They are taking your settlement. Hide, girl. No!
I do not trust him.
I think that you're right.
He has suggested to me was that almost unchristian.
Yes, he wanted you to kill Edward's
I need
children.
children were conceived without holy union.
First marriage was legitimate. It chose her over a woman whose son loved and who was born from children. You cannot invite a serpent into the garden and be surprised when it slithers on the ground.
Oh, Beoka, be nice with her.
In a court of Beoka.
Yes.
To remain somewhere you are not.
But you choose to stay here too. Perhaps we're not so different.
Oi, oi, oi. I want you both to be friends. I don't know why, but I want that to happen. Even if I understand each of your positions.
Bitterness is not her. Your role is diminished.
They can't make a person less than they should be. I should know.
Yes, you both lost someone that you loved.
And then we'll see which Saxon kingdom is the greatest. Who should rule too?
Can you die quick, please? Is this
Father? No. This is my son, young Uhtred.
young
absolute priest killer. I'm here to guide you back to your family. Church is my family. It is not. We are leaving this place and you're coming up. Give free.
I'm glad that we're gonna meet him, but really, your relationship with your son is really not great.
Impressive beast.
No, we learned so much at well.
Mm?
To seize back what was lost and unite our family. I'm taking you to Burma. Never heard it.
Oi, oi, oi. It hurts.
Selfless legacy.
And John lets me still.
No, come on. You made peace with him. So make peace with your son now. Be a good father. That will change.
To advise a king is a great honor.
Yes, for sure.
This will be a curse. I want you to know you have my blessing. To do what? Whatever must be done to protect King Edward.
Like what?
Those around him have ambition, and it is not the ambition of the king or of his father who we both love.
Can we see your son already now? Beoga is coming? Nice. I was wrong about their goodbyes. I love that. I love to be wrong. But as a priest, you're gonna be a real help. And maybe also as a messenger between Uhtred and young Uhtred.
Word reached me of the abduction of a young deacon who came to help me be a better father.
That's a good idea.
Who's that?
I cannot wait to see this relationship evolving.
Because I see the man that you will be, not the boy that you are.
You can evolve like your father did.
I know what it is to be away from one life to live another. This was my father's. One day it will be yours. Just fate.
No. Because you're forcing him. And when they forced you, you hated that too. We are going to Bebbanburg. Really? Are we gonna arrive to Bebbanburg during this episode? Already? That's a beautiful picture. I can't believe that we're really going to Bebbanburg right now during the first episode of this season 4. Again, I really thought that it was gonna be a running gag, you know, the let's go to Bebbanburg thing. But come on, they're not into Bebbanburg yet. Like, maybe it's gonna happen during this season, the fact that they're gonna go back to Bebbanburg, but having it back really, I don't know, because we still have this issue to deal with, you know, the fact that maybe the young girl can make an alliance with Dick because of the art and all of that, and Uhtred can't fight really with Dick and the young girl together, and they can, I don't know, you know, a lot of things can happen really to stop this progression to Bebbanburg. Like, we can have a storm during this time on the ocean, we can have so many things, a betrayal, a death, a lot of them dying, I don't know. Something can happen and something really bad can happen before just them putting their foot, you know, on the beach of Bebbanburg. I will believe it really just when I will see it. Before that, I'm gonna be like, no, something else is gonna happen. You're gonna be forced to go back to Wessex. You're gonna be forced to stop your progression to Bebbanburg. You're gonna... I don't know, a lot of things can happen before that. But even if, you know, Uhtred, I think it's gonna take some time to go there, we are gonna have still an eye into Bebbanburg. For the first time, we're gonna be with the uncle, we're gonna know what is happening right there. We were never so close of Bebbanburg than during this first episode. Like, we began the episode 1 with that, and we are finishing the episode 1 with that. It was, and it is still now the main quest of Uhtred to get back his land. So that's interesting, and that's great to have it finally. We'll see how it's gonna turn out, really. I'm really interested about how this relationship can involve, between Uhtred and young Uhtred, his son. I never hid it, the fact that for me, okay, he evolved into a great man, and he was always a great warrior and soldier and all of that. But as a father, I can never forget what he did to his first son, denying him just like that because his mom baptized him. And right there, we understood during this episode, before him meeting his son, just the fact that because his son was believing into a Christian God, he was not close to his son and he was denying him. Also, I'm tired of Uhtred denying his sons because they are not believing into the same God. I hope that during this season, okay, they're gonna, get closer together and maybe a real relationship is gonna grow, between them, and maybe also he's gonna learn to his son to be proud of his name, to be proud of his legacy, to fight for his legacy, for Bebbanburg and all of that. I hope that to happen, but I hope also that he's not gonna try to change his son's face, that he's not gonna try to convert his son. And I think that maybe Beoka and Osfers can help with that, And also Uhtred, with all of these years, with all of these seasons and episodes, you learned really how to respect someone else's face and how to also believe that they are really believing into it and that it's not stupid and it's something that can really guide them. Like his line during this episode really impressed me, his line that he had for Edward really made me think about that. Like, he's not just respecting their face, Edward's face, he's also telling to Edward that his face should lead him to do something, to do that. So it's, a step higher than just respecting their face, someone else's face. I love that. I really love that. So I hope that he's gonna do the same with his own son. Okay, you can teach him to be proud of his name, to want his legacy back, his land back also, but please do not try to convert him or something like that. Please, Uhtred. I was so scared about Beoka, the goodbye that he had with Uhtred during this episode. When Beoka and Uhtred are saying goodbye to each other, we are used to have that kind of moment where it's an emotional moment and they are saying strong stuff, which is always feeling like it's the last time that they are seeing each other, and maybe because they are truly believing that it's the last time that they are seeing each other. But right there I had the impression that it was even more, that it was really the last time that they were gonna see each other, and I was afraid about that. But the fact that Beoka is gonna go with Uhtred, I'm like, no, I was wrong. But they were just doing the same stuff again, saying goodbye to each other like that. Ha! I'm glad that Beoka is going with Uhtred because, like Uhtred said, it would be also the return of Beoka in Bebbanburg. Is also from Bebbanburg. I cannot wait to see that happening, to see that issue being resolved maybe during this season. For sure not during the first half of the season because of all of the alliances, things that can happen before that, and also because we have so many things to deal with. I mean, we have now all of this thing about Uhtred going to Bebbanburg to take it back, but maybe the uncle making an alliance with Mercia against Uhtred and all of that, and we have also the Scots to worry about. See, we have all of that, but we have also Edward, who is not attacking anyone, who is really into a defensive mode, and this man who is whispering, you know, to him to do that in a clever way, I think that he can be a real poison, but he's also real clever, so we have to be careful with him. And Dick is attacking the Danes because he thinks that the Danes are moving out, are going to Ireland, but in fact they are still there and they're gonna attack Dick. The fact that we have to suffer his presence, Dick's presence during this season, please make him die during the first half of the season, so we're not gonna have to spend an entire season with him. Please. But yes, we have to deal, you know, with 2, maybe 3 big things, you know, Uhtred narrative arc for Bebbanburg and all of that, and what can happen also with his uncle and Mercia. Edward, who is, you know, taking his place into the throne, trying things, but being really into a defensive mode, and all of the things that can happen, you know, around him, people who are trying to manipulate him and all of that. And also all of the things that are gonna happen with the Danes not really going to Ireland and who are gonna attack back Dick and stuff that can happen right there. Everything is related, but everything is not gonna happen at the same time, you know, the conclusion of everything is not gonna happen at the same time, and each one can have an impact on the other one, so it's gonna be interesting. And I think that we're gonna take the entire season to do that. Not to resolve all of that, I think that some can be resolved before that, but everything, like Uhtred taking back really Bebbanburg, maybe at the end of the season. But it will not be at the end of the show. Or maybe this season 4, it's the final season of the show. Don't tell me spoilers in the comments about the season 4, but please tell me that if this season 4 is really the end, you know, it's really the final season of the show or not. Just tell me that. Because I really thought that he was gonna get back his land during the final episode of the final season. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking right now. I don't know if I'm gonna have the time to watch one more episode today, because I need also to watch some Battlestar Galactica episodes today. I will see that. For you it's gonna be in another day, and for me maybe also in another day. So it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.